We're on the north shore of Auckland in Albany at the Greville Road installation of a 2100 diameter jacking pipe. The project is a trenchless application using microtunnelling techniques. We've been working with the contractor and our partners, Auckland Council and Healthy Waters, with a focus on producing a product that has lower carbon. For this project, we developed a Hynds LC 2100 diameter butt jointed concrete jacking pipe, which is actually a lower carbon than we would normally produce. And how we did that is substituted the raw materials, things like the concrete, the cement, the steel, and chose from our diverse supply chain the lowest carbon producers that we could reach out to.
So my name's Karun Kumar. I'm the Tunnels Project Engineer working for McConnell Dowell. We fast-tracked the procurement process of getting the pipes on this project because at the end of the day, this is a project that's been declared under emergency works. We placed the order with Hynds also pretty quickly, but only recently did we make the decision to incorporate a low-carbon concrete and low-carbon procurement in the design and manufacturing of the pipes. The design of the jacking pipes was important that we were able to push 1,400 tons, which also happens to coincide with the maximum thrust force of our jacking frame. Over the total order of 92 pipes, we're saving approximately 62 tons of carbon equivalent in CO2 emissions, which represents about a 16% savings compared with standard pipe.
The Hynds LC range is a product that's manufactured in our Pocono factory. There is no compromise to any quality or durability. It's great to see Healthy Waters and the contractor McConnell Dowell working together with adopting a sustainable outcome for the future.
Hynds have worked with us to get these pipes on the ground very quickly. And in terms of the finish of the pipes, I've been really impressed. This is some of the best quality pipe that I've seen. The way things have gone, we're very likely to use these pipes again in the future.